Children are very fussy and picky eaters and are very selective when it comes to traditional foods like vegetables, fruits, cereals and legumes. They have easy access to unhealthy, convenient foods. Increased pressure in education or extracurricular activities today creates a need for adequate nutrition on daily basis. Regular supplementation helps to bridge the nutritional gap existing in the diet of the children. DinoShake is a nutritional drink mix packed with protein, vitamins, minerals to help support your child's daily nutritional needs during the years of growth and development. It comes in powder form, which mixes easily into milk and water to help prepare a nutritious drink, which is a super easy way to give your children the nutritional support they need on daily basis. DinoShake is formulated with high quality ingredients. It contains macronutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats, and micronutrients, that is vitamins and minerals, which are of vital importance for your child's growth and development. DinoShake contains a select blend of whey, casein and soy proteins. It provides 6 grams of protein per serving, contains essential vitamins and minerals and is low in fat. Simply beat, stir or shake 2 scoops of DinoShake with 240 ml of milk or water and consume once a day. DinoShake should not be used to replace regular diet or meal. It is a nutritional drink mix which will help bridge the gap in a child's daily diet. This product is recommended for children of 2 years and above.